You're just looking for that perfect credit card that balances rewards with ease of use, with all the other aspects of what you're trying to find in a credit card. Well, this video is about the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. And this is a card that offers you something simple, straightforward. It's easy to use, easy to redeem those rewards. So let's jump straight in to this card. All right, so we have the Wells Fargo Active Cash card. Now, what is it about this card that you might think is a positive? Well, let's take a look at some of the pros here. All right, first off, it has the highest flat rate, so it's earning a consistent 2% on everything, which is higher than your standard 1% or 1.5% offered by a lot of competitors, or they have rotating categories. Now, it's easy to redeem these rewards. So there's cash rewards that can be redeemed for a statement credit or deposited into a Wells Fargo bank account, or you could use it to pay for purchases. There's no minimum redemption amount. Some cards make you have at least $25 in rewards to use them or something like that, so there's no minimum with this card. And then there's an added perk with this card. If you use it to pay for your cell phone, then you automatically get $600 in cell phone protection. So if you are paying a cell phone protection plan or something like that, you could stop doing that if you wanted. This provides you up to $600 in cell phone protection, up to with a deductible, it's like $25. So now, not everything about the card is amazing. So here are some of the negatives. There is a foreign transaction fee. It's a 3% fee applied to purchases outside the US. So if you do a lot of international travel, this is probably not going to be the best card for you. So think about that if you do travel outside the US a lot. There's no bonus categories. What I mean by a bonus category is some cards have those rotating categories where it's like, for the next 3 months, if you use this card for groceries, you'll get 5% cash back. But then after that 3 months, that goes away and something else pops up. And so that's a rotating category. Those are bonus categories. This doesn't have that. It's just 2% all the time on everything. And you may not qualify if you don't have at least a 700 or higher credit score for this card. So just think about that. If you have low credit score, maybe it would still be a good card for you, but you might not qualify. So here are some of the key points to consider with this card specifically. Again, the rewards is an unlimited 2% cash back on everything you buy once the purchase is post. So again, some cards, it's like it'll be those rotating categories, 5% on only one category, but it might be only up to $1,500 or something. They might have a cap on those rewards. So this is unlimited 2% on everything. And there's no annual fee. Some cards have a fee that you have to pay annually just for the card to exist for you. So it's like $95, $300, $700, depends on what the card is. This one is $0 annual fee, so that's a good thing too. And there is usually a sign-up bonus. So currently, there's a sign-up bonus of $200 cash back if you spend or when you spend your first $500 in the first 3 months. That may change over time, but typically it's something like $200 after you spend a certain amount. So that's a good thing too. And then there's an introductory APR. This is that interest rate that you're going to have to pay. So it says APR for 12 months for the account opening on purchases and qualifying balance transfer. That's 0% APR at the beginning for that first year. Now it says followed by a variable rate of 18.49, 24 or 28%, right? Those numbers are based on your credit score. So if the higher your credit score, the lower that APR number is going to be for you. So your credit does play into that, but ultimately you're just going to want to pay off the balance each month and then you won't have to worry about that interest rate at all. So again, this is going to be best for individuals that are looking for a simple one card solution for all your spending without having to track the different categories, right? Like groceries this month, gas next month, trying to worry about all that. This just simplifies it. Use it every time, 2%, no matter what. So again, this is the Wells Fargo Active Cash card, and it is widely considered one of the best cashback cards for its no-hassle approach. It is ideal for those who want a high, consistent return without the rotating categories or the complex redemption structures. Now, something that I also do want to bring to your attention is with credit cards in general, you are going to want to pay off the balance every month. Now, it doesn't mean always having a zero balance. It just means that whatever your statement is, it says, hey, you spent, I don't know, $1,500, let's say. Then on that due date, don't just pay the minimum payment. Make the full statement balance and pay that off. That's how you avoid the interest. If you make the minimum payment and you carry a balance past that due date, everything you carried past that due date, you pay that interest on. So a 2% bonus cash back offset by an 18, 24, 28% interest charge, you don't get any rewards, right? It just outdoes itself. So don't undo your rewards by carrying a balance. It doesn't work that way. So just maintain, pay it off each month, and then use those 2% rewards for treating yourself to something nice. All right. So again, Wells Fargo Active Cash card. If you want to check it out, there's a link down in the description and see if it's the right card for you. All right. We'll see you in the next one.